Moving along to Xscape, baby, this has gotten ugly, and I can't wait for Attorney Redwine to teach us on why and how Xscape, the singing group, is trying to escape Latocha. Now, Latocha is saying that she, along with her sister, Tamika, owns the trademark to Xscape, the name Xscape. Latasha's saying she is not giving anybody in that group permission to use the name to go on tour because A, she doesn't like them, and B, she's not going on tour with them. All right, Attorney Redwine, break this down for us and let us know why Latocha better pipe down, because she must have forgot A, that this is a joint ownership of the trademark, which it means her and her sister. And exactly what does that mean, Redwine, and them having this joint ownership of the trademark?
Absolutely. So sure. So before I was a injury attorney, I was actually a fashion attorney. And I did fashion and trademark law. So this is my thing. And Al, if you cite any of my stuff on your show, I need you to give me some credit. Okay. So I get some clients. Let them know Attorney Redwine schooled you. So what it is with a joint trademark, it means there's at least two owners. That means either one of them has the right to license it for use, to grant somebody the right to use it. Think of it like this. If you have a roommate for your apartment, either one of you guys is allowed to invite friends over. Doesn't matter if you don't like the other friends. If that person wants to invite them over, they can. That's what's happening here. Now, remember, Latocha is, I call her the thieving sister. Allegedly, she stole her sister Tamika's like $30,000 worth of checks and stuff. So Latocha is estranged from the group, won't be on tour, and was trying to stop the group by, it's my understanding, sending cease and desist letters, etc., saying you guys can't tour with the name. However, that is legally false. So she's in trouble there. But secondly, the truth of the matter is the mark was previously applied for by all of the girls of the group. It was then like abandoned because they didn't renew it the appropriate way. And the mark should be owned by all 4 girls, not just the 2. But what happened is when it expired, it was the victim's sister, not the thieving sister, that said, Tamika, who said, hey, we should renew this. So she went to her sister and was like, hey, we should renew this. They did. But the thieving sister never even gave her sister half the money to pay for the lawyers, even to this day.
Wow. So because she didn't help pay for it, technically, Tamika can use the name as she wished. Is that right, Attorney Ross?
Yeah, she can use it as she wishes because she didn't pay for it. Exactly right. And the bigger thing about it is the timing of this lawsuit. They're supposed to have some tour this summer. I'm not sure if you're into their music. I love their music. Still do. But they're supposed to have some tour with SWV this summer. There's a chance that Live Nation's lawyer could say, wait a second, we got to slow it down until we get clarification on this issue. And the timing is perfect because they're trying to force a settlement.
So sorry, go ahead, Redwine.
Oh, I wanted to give a little legal tea related to this.
Okay.
Which is that, so, right now, the only 2 names on the trademark are the 2 sisters. However, they just renewed it and filed the paperwork March 24th. If I were Kandi and Tiny, I would consider talking to a lawyer about contesting what was just filed to get added. And here's why. They filed something that's called incontestability. Incontestability means they've been using it for over the 5-year period, blah, blah, blah. But this little stupid, when it was filed 2-3 weeks ago in March, you submit a specimen showing how you are continuing to use the mark. The specimen was a tour photo of everybody but the thieving sister. So that works. So if I were Kandi and Tiny, I'd be like, look, no, there was fraud and there was misrepresentation. And those are 2 grounds to have the trademark amended to include them.
Wow.
I can tell you this. If I am Live Nation's general counsel, I am telling them, you guys are going to go through and redo your what's called an indemnification clause. We don't want any part of this. We got a great summer plan, but at the end of the summer, if a judge says, well, The trademark is this, and you have to pay it. Now we have to get involved in that. So we're telling them from the get-go, we're not getting involved in this. We'll support you on the tour. If they come after us for money, you're paying us back. That's what I would say.
I think that's fair. But I also think that one reason why Live Nation might be okay is due to the fact of the law that says any co-licensee, any co-owner can license it. Using that, proceed.
I really wanted to see SWV this summer too. I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak.
Order in the court, please.
Sorry, I went back to my teenage. My bad.
Calm down. Let's keep our decorum, please, in my court. Let's keep our decorum. All right, algorithm.